Well, guess who's back? Today, I'll show you how you can make over $100,000 by simply selling PDF bingo cards that you create in seconds, and by using free tools. Take a look at this store I recently found. They're crushing it with bingo cards. So, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create various kinds of bingo cards in seconds. And don't worry, you won't need to create them manually one by one, because I'll reveal a secret method to create them automatically. Stay tuned because no one has shared this method before, and make sure to watch until the end for a crucial tip on succeeding with this method. Let's get started. Just before we dive in, I'm sure many of you are familiar with bingo, but for those who aren't, bingo is a chance-based game where players match numbers on cards. A host draws balls randomly, and when a player's card forms a line, horizontal, vertical, or diagonal, they shout, "Bingo!" And after doing some research, I found a significant demand for printable bingo cards. People worldwide are always searching for places to download them online for free. If you've ever tried making a bingo card, you know it's not easy, especially when you have to make 25 to 50 cards. Randomizing 50 different numbers or words can be quite a challenge. Online, you'll only find paid versions if you're looking for a large number of cards. This prompts people to seek affordable alternatives, and that's where our opportunity comes in. Etsy becomes the go-to platform for those looking for high-quality, affordable, printable bingo cards. This gives us the ideal chance to capitalize on a market actively seeking our product. I did even more research, and I discovered that selling printable bingo cards has much less competition compared to other digital products. I came across this store that specializes in selling PDFs of bingo cards across various niches and styles. I can tell from the number of reviews that this store makes a lot of money. But I wanted more information, so I used a paid tool called Product Flint to gather more information about the store, and the results were quite impressive. The store has generated over $100,000 in total revenue with minimal effort. If we scroll down, we'll find a variety of listings. Take this one, for example, offering simple black and white bingo cards. Looking at the analytics, this listing alone has generated over $11,000 in total revenue. Now we know that there isn't much competition and there's a significant demand. We have the opportunity to be the solution people are actively seeking. It's time to turn this demand into profit. To boost efficiency, it's essential to automate the card creation process. Let me introduce you to a free tool that will let you create these bingo cards in seconds. Have you heard of Canva? Most likely. We'll be using this software to craft our bingo cards. The great news is you don't need the paid version. You can automate the card creation using a plugin that's also available in the free version. Go to Canva and open the homepage. Navigate to the left side of the screen and click Apps. Then, search for Bingo Cards. You'll find an app called Bingo Cards. Click on it and choose Use in New Design. Click on Custom Size and set it to 8.5 by 11 inches, which is a popular paper size in the US. You can change it if needed by entering your dimensions. Click Create New Design, and it will generate a new page. Next, you can either enter a set of numbers or words, or choose from categories such as countries, Halloween, American football, etc. Avoid choosing Harry Potter since it's trademarked and we're creating cards for sale. For our example, let's create Halloween bingo cards. Click on Halloween, and it will automatically input a list of words. You can add or delete words as needed. Choose the grid size. I'll select 5 by 5, and for the number of cards, the limit is currently 50. Choose a font and click on Create Bingo Cards. Now you have 50 different randomized cards. This process, which could take up to 5 hours manually, is done in seconds, saving you crucial time for creating more to sell. Now click on card number 1, resize it, add a page, and repeat for all 50 cards, which may take around 10 minutes. After finishing the cards, choose a text box, type Halloween Bingo, and make it bigger. Design your cards, then copy the text and design and paste them on each card. This makes sure that all your cards look alike, only with a different bingo board. When finished, click Share, then download the cards as a PDF print, which is best for home printing. Finally, click Download, and it will save as a PDF on your computer. Now you're done. Check these cards we just generated. No one will be able to tell that we created them automatically. They even look better than the cards of our competitors. Design an eye-catching layout to make buyers choose you over others. And all you have to do next is publish it on your Etsy shop. If you haven't already created your Etsy account, head over to Etsy.com and sign up. It's easy and free. Once you're logged in, click on Sell on Etsy to start setting up your shop. Next, choose a name for your store, add the bingo card listings we just created, and select your payment methods, etc. Set up your store as you like, start selling, and get paid. Another important thing to note is that we sell digital products, not physical ones. This saves us a lot of money since we have no expenses. When someone buys a pack of bingo cards from you, they will receive the file you created beforehand. No need to bother with shipping. As soon as someone makes a purchase, they immediately receive the product. Let me know if you'd like a full and detailed video on setting up an Etsy shop. One tip to boost your business, as promised. Create cards in different languages for diverse audiences, and design cards for popular themes like bingo cards for Halloween or Christmas. All of these increase the chances of customers choosing and buying your bingo cards. And before you go, please be aware that it might take some time to see your first profit. Stay persistent, consistently create new designs, and your store will pick up over time. Eventually, it will turn into passive income, especially if you teach someone else to create the cards for you. But at the beginning, I recommend starting on your own. If you want me to share more methods of making money online using Canva, let me know in the comments. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I also wanted to thank you. I'm very happy you enjoyed my last video. Hope you liked this one as well. Stay tuned, as I'll be sharing new methods in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care. The Guru.